Good evening and welcome everyone. It's a pleasure to be here, and it's always exciting for me to talk about our cars, especially when it involves a new Range Rover. We've got a collective history of Range Rover of almost 50 years. 50 years where the world has probably changed beyond all recognition. I think one of the measures of an icon is that it's a piece of design and engineering that others follow, and follow they have done. This is the car of choice for businessmen and women around the world, and as you can see, occasionally for politicians and royalty too. All the while, the thread that runs through all of these cars is about capability and refinement. When we talk about luxury vehicles, luxury isn't something that's just about more of something. It's about something that's distinct and different, and Range Rover's distinctiveness comes from this unique combination. Now that makes the Range Rover the largest luxury automotive export from the UK, and potentially, with the arrival of the Range Rover, the largest luxury export, full stop. Alongside our clean and efficient petrol and diesel engines, you'll see the arrival of the petrol-electric plug-in hybrid. So Range Rover, it's a car that really has stayed true to its core principles throughout all those successive generations. It's about the world's most capable and refined SUV. It's a car that hasn't just moved with the times, but effectively has helped to define the times.
Welcome to the reveal of the new Range Rover, our first electric plug-in hybrid. While we respect that unique heritage that we have, because it's part of our authenticity, it is about looking forward. It's about designing vehicles that are relevant to a world that has changed massively from when these original vehicles were created. You'll see there, design and engineering integrity are the prerequisites for every vehicle we do. That's our compelling proposition in the marketplace. We're not designing commodities. We're designing products that people literally will fall in love with. It's about creating that emotional connection. That's how we differentiate ourselves. This vehicle is all about refinement and enhancement. Overall, the front has a higher level of formality. Starting with the bonnet, you'll notice that we've removed the panel that was there for pedestrian impact. We haven't forgotten about pedestrian impact, but we've managed to integrate it into the bonnet design. This is a very refined, sophisticated vehicle, and everything we've done is just illuminating that. The distinctive silhouette is still here, clearly. The floating roof, the continuous belt line, that overall visual robustness. The changes, again, are subtle but significant. The rear lamps, more technical, more simplified, cleaner, more modern, and they work much better. The distinctive DNA, the continuous horizontal, the main fascia moulding, intersected by the console, is still there, but it carries, and we've integrated seamlessly the new blade technology, which is a revelation compared to the outgoing model in terms of the infotainment system. Higher levels of precision, and the other one that's very important is the comfort of this vehicle. We've put a lot of emphasis on sumptuous comfort. In fact, this whole vehicle is full of innovative technical features. There's a whole abundance of them.
As you've heard, Range Rover is the premium SUV, the benchmark for combining capability and performance with luxury and refinement. As engineers, we're preserving the Range Rover DNA, first created by the pioneers of the 1960s, and evolving that DNA for a new era with clever use of the latest technologies. There are three things that I think captify and clearly demonstrate the level of change alongside this peerless design. And that is the smartest powertrain, the smartest driving experience, and the smartest interior. So let's start by talking about the new plug-in hybrid. Well, a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, if you don't know, is one that includes a smaller petrol engine alongside a large battery, a charger, and an electric motor to minimize emissions and maximize range. The combination of our latest plug-in hybrid technology and our aluminium Range Rover architecture allows us to introduce our compact, fuel-efficient, four-cylinder Ingenium petrol engine to the Range Rover for the first time. And charging the battery is really simple. In fact, you can receive a full charge in 2 3/4 hours from a 32 amp charger. So you get lower emissions, higher fuel economy, without any other compromise to the Range Rover driving experience. And it can deliver 31 miles of electric driving range. It also improves performance. Our plug-in electric Range Rover is faster than our V6 petrol engine, and it improves the capability with low-range drive in electric, the first time in an SUV and actually the first time in any car in the world. In that electric mode, you can travel up to 85 miles per hour on the open roads, and if you want to go faster, the Ingenium petrol engine and the electric motor will combine to give you the performance and the boost that you required. And as you slow down, the regenerative braking will capture that energy and store it in the battery for when you need it. Ladies and gentlemen, Range Rover remains the complete package, the benchmark premium SUV. For 2018, with the new technology and new engineering, it maintains its leadership and its rich heritage of peerless design and technological innovation.